Is your Tesla Model X refusing to wake up? Here's what you need to know. First, check if your key fob has battery life. If it's dead, your car won't unlock or start. Try using the Tesla app on your phone to unlock and start your car. Next, look at your Tesla's main screen. If it's black or not responding, the car's 12-volt battery might be dead. This small battery powers important systems, including the start process. If needed, contact Tesla Roadside Assistance. Now, is your Tesla's main battery charged? If you see messages about low or no charge, plug in and wait a few minutes before trying again. Sometimes, even Teslas run out of juice. Also, check for any new updates or error messages on the screen. Sometimes a software glitch stops the car from starting. Try pressing and holding both scroll wheels on your steering wheel to reset the system. Finally, if nothing else works, call Tesla support. They can guide you through more steps or send help if needed. Remember, most startup issues have simple fixes. Stay calm, follow these steps, and you'll be back on the road soon.